The 60th Oklahoma legislative session drew to a close yesterday, and it was a busy one. News 12's Austin Hedgecoth explores some of the major bills passed this year and looks at the slew of overrides on Governor Kevin Stitt's vetoes.
After months of debates, discussions, and compromise, Oklahoma legislators have crossed the finish line. But what actually happened this session? For starters, hundreds of bills made their way through the Oklahoma House and Senate and wound up on Governor Kevin Stitt's desk. Included in that stack was HB 2764, which decreases the state income tax rate and removes all tax on the first few $1,000s of income earned.
Our economy has grown. Our citizens continue to work hard. When they work hard, they make more money. And they make more money, they pay more taxes. It's been a few years since we've looked at this, that we need to go get back and give some back to the taxpayers.
But perhaps most polarizing was SB 139, the bell-to-bell no cell phone bill. Starting in the fall, every school district in Oklahoma must create a policy that bans the use of cell phones, smartwatches, and other devices during the school day.
I'm calling it a try it before you buy it type of policy. So everyone will do it for a year. And then if the district finds that that policy doesn't work for them, then they can opt out from there.
Complicating matters this session, Governor Stitt didn't always agree with the legislature, vetoing a record 68 bills. In defiance, the chambers overturned 47 of those vetoes, setting the bills into law anyways. Of the bills overturned, HB 1137 sets aside state funding for a missing and murdered Indigenous Women Task Force, and HB 1389 expands coverage for breast cancer screening. That bill was proposed by Senator Melissa Provenzano, who is battling breast cancer herself. The override was met with a standing ovation. Perhaps the most eye-opening bill that Stitt vetoed would make corruption by public officials a felony and would bar anyone convicted from ever holding office in Oklahoma again. That veto was also overturned. Any bills that did not pass this time around must now be reintroduced in the next session. Reporting, Austin Hedgecoth, News 12.